Hey fam, welcome back to Tari's Lifestyle and Vlog, and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the processing time for a UK tourist visa, which is also known as a UK visitors visa. So UK tourist or visitors visa is a visa you get when you want to come to the UK to visit or to tour in the country. The first time is always given for 6 months. Okay, so if you come to the UK on a tourist visa or a visitors visa, you get a visa for 6 months. And once that 6 months has elapsed, if you're wanting to renew again, you get 2 years visa, 5 years, 10 years, and so on and so forth. Okay, but it's a visa that's given to you if you're coming to the UK to visit in the first instance, okay, or to tour the country. There's also medical visitors visa. There's different kind of visitors visa, okay, but we're talking about the standard visitors visa. So if you're applying to the UK and for a visitors visa, how long does the processing time, how long does it take? What's the processing time? Okay, so if you're applying from outside the UK, the processing time for a UK visitors visa is 3 weeks. Okay, so 3 weeks. And then if you are applying from within the UK, it's 8 weeks. I honestly don't know why it's like that, because you think that if it's in the UK, it should be shorter, but that's not how it is. If you're applying from outside the UK, it's 3 weeks. From inside the UK, it is 8 weeks. Okay, so that's the standard processing time. However, this could be longer or shorter depending on the visa, the application, the document that have been submitted, the workload, and all of that. Okay, if for instance, Home Office need more information, they need to check out some information, they need to do some clarification, they need more documentation from you, then definitely it's going to be more than the processing time. And just to mention that your processing time does not start when you actually submit your UK visitors visa, because most of the time we submit online, but the processing time starts from when you go to the visa application center to submit your documents, or once your documents have been verified. Okay, so that's when the processing time actually takes. And like I said, it could be 3 weeks or 8 weeks depending on where you're submitting from. Okay, so you can also have a decision made quicker if you apply using the priority service or the super priority service. So priority service, you apply, you pay some extra money, and then you get your visa decision within 5 days. And the super priority is actually the next working day, so 5 working days or the next working day. Okay, so if you've applied on a weekend, the weekend would not be counted. Okay, so that's just it. So if you're applying for a standard visitors visa, application processing time from outside the UK is 3 weeks, and from inside the UK is 8 weeks. I hope this video is helpful to someone. If that's helped you, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.